Hello, the whole family. I recommended to my sisters today a dress pattern made of linen fabric. It's the neck of the heart, but it goes down to the base of the chest. Hands are puffy hands. Down here the bell rings out and to draw the seed. There will be a way to escape. Well, the lines line up along the body and push the buttons. Flattering, aha. Now we're going to start. Go to this template design. This is the size chart I'll use to draw. You have to measure shoulder to shoulder, neck, chest, waist, butt, and long waist. Each person has a black number on the side. It's different. Then you measure to apply the following formula. If you share it, you will get a copy. And was instructed to sew this pattern. The first step is me. Take the long dress. This dress is as long as the pattern, across the calf. According to the head. I'm on 10 gasoline. I'm going to take my shoulder here. The shoulder is split in two. 32 divided by 2 is 16. I took 16. But with this model, there will be a road button, so I'll put this part first. Put here to parts. High con. Put it in, ladies. I put it in and I calculated the lines. I'm going to calculate this from the middle. I took in 16 gasoline and it's here. Then lower your shoulders to 4. When you get to her, you divide her by 5. 30 divided by 5 is equal to 6. From here, you can measure the 6 gasoline that you've connected to this road. Next, I'll take the line. Breasts are breasts divided by 5, divided by 2. 80 divided by 5 plus 2 is equal to 18. I just started taking it from this point. I took it down to 18. Then you cross a street. Then divide it in half. I'm going to divide my chest by 4. Plus 2. 80 divided by 4 plus 2 is 22. One way is 22. Then I'll take the lower waist point. The lower waist is also taken from the road above. I go down. I got 35 today. Each person's waist measurement will be different. Remember to measure. I went from the point of carelessly into the gas section I walked across. Then I'll be around the waist. Let the waist divide by 4 plus 2. 64 divided by 4 plus 2 is equal 18. I brought in 18. Then you take your S off. Let's get the number 18. It's a measurement that starts from the waist down to the buttocks. The biggest ass. Then you take it. Well, this part of the butt is equal to the butt divided by 4, u plus 1. 80 divided by 4 plus 1 is 21. I take it from this point into a gas. Take 21. Then I connected this part. Then you will get a dress. At the bottom, you cut 4. Take it in. Here you will get it. The cask of the dress you took from 35 to 40, depending on what you want. Later I came from, in the middle of this point, you step back into 8 millimeters of gas. Let me draw the vertical. You stretch down to 15. and cut this starting point by 4. I'll draw the side head and the end. And then we build a perpendicular line. The sister backs up to petrol. Split in 2. And split it in half again. Then we'll draw the armpit line here. This is the heart. So from here, you're going to step back into to gas, and the depths of his heart lie here. Then you will join. Then split it in half. I drink 7 glasses and I beat the heart on the shirt. In cases where you don't want to go deep, you can push up another 5. Then I draw the heart. It will not wear it. That way I can introduce the body. I will continue for the next body. Next time, I'll get for gas. Sorry to gasoline. And then I'll bend the back armpit compared to the previous one. I'm going to have 7 glasses without 7. Reduced is 1, and this part of my ass is going to be 1. Then this ancient part, I'll join it. Here are 2. Beautiful, I can paint the body. Now you're going to put the paper together. The body behind it is below. Then you'll fold the paper. The body behind it will be smaller. It's not going to have a way of sticking buttons out, so I'm going to stack it smaller than a gasoline. Then the next. I will cut. First, you cut the back of the neck in the red line. Shoulder to shoulder in the red line. The back armpit in the red cap line. I will reduce it later. The back chest in the red line. Well, we'll get a body part. The body behind the body before me is cut like this. After you finish cutting it, well, we'll do the next job. That's us. Reduce the horizontal part of the back body. Reduce a gasoline. And here you put the chest back to me. To find the waist level position. Then you can cross this line. I will paint. Waistline. Divide it in half and take it down to 16. And the way this road is for petrol. And this will be the back. Later on, the sisters are for a reason. This is the part that has to be doubled. Now we're going to cut and adjust. For the previous part, if the front part is here, I will cut the heart neck. This is blue. Sand along the blue line. And then this hip, we're going to cut back along the way. Blue. I cut along the road. It's so blue my whole family. This will be the body first. In this case, I'll cut you to pieces. It's because we have the button stacking. Here will be to pieces. And this one, when I share it. There is no seam. If you are lucky, you have to remember the seam. Let me be. Sewing on the shirt on the fabric. And when it's done, we'll give you instructions. Let's show our sisters how we do it. For the sleeve. By the sleeve, you will measure 19 here. Previous part. Visiting star. 2-1. And now we're going to cut off the arm. This sleeve. The first step you will determine. Give yourself a point above, and then Let's build a right angle line. And from here you're going down on your chest. Scored for 10 plus years. 80. Divide by 10 plus 5, and we get 13. I took down 13. And then you get 19. I was 19 when I measured the front arm. Plus the back armpit is 21. I was 40. You divide 2 by 20. 20. Split in 2. This part is 2 inches. Then this long arm, you take A. The original length for me was 22. I've built a perpendicular line across. And then this part, you build a perpendicular line. And then you drop a fraction. Then we'll get the hand out. Then the next thing we're going to get is this part. You stretch out. Double ha. For example, how much do I measure this? I will double up. And you will leave here. We cut this line straight down. Our sleeves will be cut like this. Then I will get A. This shirt, ladies. The second part is here. In the middle, you left earlier. Your space is not enough, so I left the middle to get the horizontal. You see twice as much. This is the part where you're lucky. You puff it up. Right hip put it back in the arm. And down here, you're going to be great. Let him puff up his arm. And this piece you guys got me. It has a length. I cut it a little bit longer. It's about 14. I would take its length to be 14. The gap takes longer than it will not create the part of the hand. It can make it, but it's long and it doesn't make it. That's it. Good luck getting in here is the end of the hand. And so I just finished sharing my sister's dress for middle age, sewing with hybrid fabric. And she's got a swollen neck and hands. Let us talk about how to be lucky. Here we have the front and the back. Body before, body after. Now how to be lucky. You'll sew a path along the nail. Fortunately for both sides. Then I'll sew the bend part. After May bend is done, May bend. The following body is 7 times. So I'm going to I put the body up here. Then I'll sew the road. After sewing the ribs, you guys. Hands on the body. Then lucky, hand and body. Then you will start to draw the seed. For this part, we'll draw the seed to the bottom so we can put it together. Then after sewing, put your hand on the body and sew the lower part. If you pull out your breasts, you will take the next step. Yes, we will. Lucky for a side road. Sew the side by. So we're going to flip the part. This body again. And you will. I sew the seams from below. After sewing, it's done. We've sewn this part of the arm into the body. Then the part of his hand will be here. The same piece. If you lie here, you will sew through this corner. And then we border the arm. Well, we're up. And I'll come back here. You will cut the beautiful part of the heart. And a round neck splint for the torso. You may put a splint on our body to make a button. Is that we're done with this dress? This one is made of linen. It's simple but beautiful. Middle age. My sisters wear these very cute. And more. So yeah. If you like this style, go ahead. Lucky for me too. It is really beautiful to wear. I wish you success. Thank you Shin Cho and see you.